Oh, I said guy run from me. Hey, this cop's about to blow him by. That guy's running, man. Yes. Hey, this is gonna make a hell of a video. Hey, southbound, you got a red car running from the cops coming up behind you. Just past the way station. Southbound, you got a red Dodge Charger coming through traffic, running from the police.
Words and some dips and some flats, and
yes, it has.
That's really depending on what year we asked whose mind it was from.
Ain't that the way it always is? Jay Leno said that. He said any actor, no matter who you are, he said he was talking to somebody about doing stand. I think it was Del Davo. He said keep doing stand. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always the last guy we call out. You're never going to be first chair the whole time. You got about 8 years of relevance, no matter who you are, and then pretty soon it's just hard to sustain, man. You just can't hit that many home runs.
Well, that's really the tip of the cap to the Tom Cruises of the world. Is really, it's not about their greatest hits. It's about putting together 35 years and no signs of slowing down. That's the part we need to tip the cap to.
100%.
They just keep going.
Brad Pitt,
yeah,
still worth what he's worth, man. Johnny Depp lost it though. Forbes magazine came out about 5 years ago and said for every $100 you put into a Johnny Depp movie, if he's not dressed like a pirate, you're getting $1 back.
What?
Yeah. And that was a big thing, man. They went, look, man.
Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey. Someone's about to get a ticket and I'm gonna laugh. Like that guy right there in the van. I got you, bro. We already got you. I called it.
I mean, it's such a huge name, and it's really exhausting to say her name sometimes. So we call her Coco.
That's not a bad idea, and you can take the first letter. What did you say? Is it SC?
Socorro.
SC. SOC. It didn't work out to what I was thinking.
I don't know. I'm really torn on this, Karina, because I hear that you want the cash.
Get rich, you fucking nerd.
I don't. I wish he wasn't doing this to us.
I know, but then it's almost like you don't want, like, you want to just name your the money, you know?
Yeah,
Like I feel like it's like you're not gonna you're gonna get the money and then you're gonna be like, I don't want it. This
Is there
doesn't
any
feel
way
right.
to get the money and you be able to name her? Is there any way to get?
Maybe a postponement. It's unfortunate to keep hearing such bad news, but not all the news in the esports world is bad. We have some great news about a summer gaming that's shaping up to launch very soon. That's coming up. This first, it's time for our close shave of the week.
Time is watching at checkpointxp.com.
Close shave of the week is coming from G2 and FaZe Clan when they went head-to-head in the ESL Counter-Strike Global Offensive play in group stages during the Road to Rio Qual.
Come on, get him,
Taking the lead
get him,
15-5,
get him,
playing a wild
get him,
knocking on the
get him,
only one round.
get him.
Here's a clutch round and send